behind the scenes. It's not even focused. I don't know. Okay, now it's focused.
Let's put it on random and see.
It like unfocuses and then focuses.
What a poop!
Now focus. Lucinda Melinda working on the computer. And Morgan working on the music. We should do this song. Let's do this song.
You guys should mostly be in the video and I'll work on most of the editing.
Okay. Our editor, Lucinda. Say hi. This is Maxine. Hi. I got the magic. Let's take some out. Want to do it to this song?
Sure. We have to play this song in band.
So?
No, this one.
What is it?
It's like an 80s song. Or 70s. It's retarded.
Look what I did with my friend.
What?
It was just... We painted each of